It's 8:06. We're leaving camp. We're going to get our bear bags to get breakfast. And then we're going to make a 3-mile hike to the highway where we'll get picked up and go home. Here's the bear bags. Let's take them.
Filtering water and eating breakfast. What water we have left? Just came down off the trail to the Laurel Valley parking lot, in which husband is supposed to arrive around noon to pick us up with cold Coca-Colas. It's about 11:15 now. We're gonna go see if we can find the creek, because we have been out of water for about 3 miles. Get something to drink and cool down. There's the boo. She made it. Yeah. So this is what we had done. They're not showing the Canebrake Trail. Canebrake Trail somewhere over here. We came down, spent the first night here, came down. This is Heartbreak Ridge with all those staying stairs. They don't really show the Foothills Trail, do they? Came down here. Instead of following, this is a trail. Instead of following the trail down, a hiker said it would be shorter and less up and downs if we went straight. Rock Creek Road, came down Jackie's Road, followed the trail. There's the falls we were at yesterday. We camped last night somewhere in here. Thunder and lightning, but no rainstorm. And here we are, waiting for our cold Coca-Colas. All right, boys.
Y'all are slow.
I know I'm slow. Here, the end of the trail. Congratulations. So we found this spring a little ways down the road. We decided to stop and get some water and go ahead and make our lunch. And Boo Boo is taking a nap, I guess. And you're eating, Morgan?
Tuna with ketchup.
Tuna with ketchup, because we've run out of mayonnaise and relish packets. Have you made your sandwich yet, Connor?
I already ate it.
You already ate it? What was it?
Peanut butter and jelly.
PB&J. And Boo Bear, you just going to take a nap? Okay, sounds good. Okay, we're in the car on the way home. Dad's picked us up and he's brought us loot. What did he bring?
Beef jerky,
Potato chips.
Coca-Cola, potato chips,
Donuts.
Oreos, M&M's.
All right.
And me.
Oh, and Dad. And we still have the boo.